Welcome back, guys. In this video, I'm going to prove to you that driving Jezebel daily is possible. With a little bit of common sense, it's a lot of fun. Guys, welcome back to Scott's Speed Shop. Jed Scott here as always, and today we're talking a little bit of something about a 634 horsepower 70 Dodge Charger named Jezebel. And this car does have a 4-speed. It's tunnel ram, dual 650 Holley Ultra XP carburetors. It's a pretty wicked ride. And this whole video is going to be about just proving I drive this thing basically daily. I haven't drove my Magnum in a little bit. We just had a massive thunderstorm roll in, what was it, last night? And I mean, it was crazy. We had power outage, or power lines getting all weird out. So I bet you that exhaust is full of water. So we're gonna fire this thing up and we're gonna evacuate the exhaust system with any kind of water that's in it. And we'll just show you that. And then we're gonna hit the road. I'm gonna go run some errands today, and you're gonna ride along with me and show you that. You don't always have to act a fool when you got this much horsepower. In fact, when I drive this car, I very rarely get above part throttle. Just drive it sensible and drive it like a mature adult, which I know, I know. How do you do that with that kind of power in this kind of car? I'm gonna show you that I can do it. So let's go run some errands. Let's take you guys for a little spin in Jezebel. Clutch is still a little hard to get used to. Gas and we'll keep going. Alrighty, we're done here at the gas station. To the bank, then to trains. Timing set at 32 or 34 degrees. I gotta remember now. All right, so we're gonna get my money. Ready? I know I am. Beautiful. Even better. We are going to take the highway back home, so stay tuned for that. That's going to be fun. Driving their econo block today. I see some cool ass shit out here today. Charger named Jezebel. Hard to explain to the cop. Yeah, it's the other one. Don't mind me as I just drive right past the police station. Stuff up PD. And now the historical brick roads. God, I love these. Told John, check that out. We got ourselves a steam engine. Finally. Thank you, Allen Road. God, you gotta love these brick streets. I guarantee you, all you're going to hear is wind noise. So I got the exhaust set up on this car so that way it is quiet as possible when I don't want the cutouts open. But that's not cool, so that's better. Not hole-shotting this road. Well, it's because I know where all the cops hide and I know all the cops in town, so I don't want to get a bad reputation. Okay, I lied. That'll get the old thumper pumping. Ooh, we're gonna be sitting here for a minute. Courteous to all the animals in the hospital. So I got to buy special cat food for one of my cats. That's why I got to drive all the way out here. All right, I'm going to get cat food. I'll be back. We have cat food. We have trains. And now we are ready to go home. And we're going to play with said trains, aka we're going to work on the lathe and make money and sell some carburetors and some advice. Let's do it!